All right, so I'm on the driver's side of the transmission, or transaxle, freaking A. And this sucker's empty right now, but if you need to fill it up, it would be the same thing. So right there's the plug. It should be a 17 millimeter. But the big thing on this one, I'll put all the stuff on there. As far as compatibility, you know, at least the GL-5, there's a couple other ones, you know, at least a 90 weight. This is a 75 W90. This is some cheaper stuff, but it'll get the job done. But like I said, I'll put all the other stuff that you want to know in the description. So I'll take that out. I'm going to use a long hose. It's going to be messy, but the way to know when it is full is you want your car level. If it's not already level, it's a lot easier to do with the tire off like I have it right now. But as soon as that fluid starts coming out, that's when it's full. Okay, don't try to stick the plug back in there as soon as possible and like try to keep the fluid in there. That is the fluid level when it's even with the bottom of the hole. So I'm gonna fill this thing up and then put it back on. But really that's all there is to it. Like I said, I'm going to use a long hose. I've seen people use some pump applications to pump it in there, but in this scenario with the tire off, I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to use a long hose and kind of gravity feed it. So, all right, if you got any questions, please comment, like the video, and yeah, subscribe. Thanks.